Hi everyone, welcome back to Origin. This is the Origin blank canvas, and we're going to get the AI architect to build a completely bespoke web application. And today that's going to be a to-do app, a task list app. And importantly, it's going to have a database built into it. And I don't mind telling you that this version, this iteration of Origin was incredibly difficult to put together. So I'm psyched to be able to show you. I'm just going to say yes to that specification, and you can see it's built an agile plan here, and now it's going to work through each of these tasks. And for reference, each of these tasks takes 1 to 3 minutes. Let's say I'm going to move fast through it a little bit faster than that. And you can see it's built a new design, which is now building the code for this first layout task. And you see it's done a pretty good job. We've got a nice just layout showing where different things are going to be. It's hallucinated a bit of text there, that homepage content. So I'm just going to ask it to remove that in the chat, which it's now done. And now it's going to create a list and a form. So let's see how it does there. I like the list. I like the form. They're a little bit too far apart. So I'm going to ask it to pull those back together just in chat. And there we go. So this is dummy data. It hasn't got the database yet, but this is looking pretty reasonable. It's not functional, but it's looking pretty reasonable. So now it's going to add the database. So now we can see in the design, it's upgraded the design to incorporate the database. And let's see how it does with that. So the dummy data has disappeared as expected. Let's see if the form is functional. Yes. So that has literally stood up a database of its own architecture in the cloud, and is now saving data to it from the front end that it also created. But when we refresh the page, we're not getting the ones that we saved. So we need to just tell it that and see how it goes with fixing that problem. Let's take another look. We'll add another couple of to-dos. Maybe one more. And then we'll refresh the page, just make sure we're getting them. Yes, we are. So it's correctly fixed that bug. Now we're moving on to removing to-do. So this is the final feature. And that is working just fine by the look of it. We can refresh the page. We're getting the items back from the database. And let's just add another one. We've broken the to-do button. So we're just going to tell it in chat again, hey, sorry, you managed to break the to-do button. Let's see if it's managed to fix that. Yes, okay, good. Let's check. We can refresh the page. We can delete items. There we have it. Our fully functional to-do app built by the AI architect, all on its own. Excellent. Okay, and now let's just look at the database, the design. This is the final design it came up with the database, with the different parts of the site, with the icons. And we can even also jump into the code. So this is the GitHub repository it made with the full commit history. And we can maybe jump into one of these files just to take a look. This is all legit React code written by the architect for us. So thanks, guys. Psyched to be able to show you that. Sign up for an invite. Reach out to me. Let's just keep things moving forwards. Thanks.